Welcome everybody. Let's start with the cooking class. First of all, let's have a little cheers. And then we're gonna start with fresh pasta, kneading the dough, making 2 or 3 types of pasta. Also, we're gonna make some beautiful sauces with fresh seasonal ingredients. Polpetta al sugo. Now we're gonna stretch the dough by hand and cut it and shape it by hand. We're gonna make some fresh tagliolini. Don't forget to put some semolina on top. Stretch, stretch, stretch. And soon we're gonna start with tasting the beautiful dishes with paired wines as well. Okay, closing the ravioli. And now it's time to taste everything. Buon appetito, everybody. Perché?